out, buy with Apple Pay, Chase retail debit card.
I finally caught an accident on my camera.
What do I need to fill in this dumbass shit for?
It was just an accident.
Oh God, you okay?
No, I'm fine. It wasn't me.
I know, but I got
it on camera. Yo, I got that on camera. I don't know how to do it. It's like a SIM card. What? It's like a SIM card. That wasn't your fault.
Yeah.
She went into the wrong lane.
Would you mind, like...
I could just give you the SIM card.
That would be great. Yeah, I live, like, right in Belmore. You want to...